What's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. Hey, go ahead and smash the like button because I got a great video for you. And we're talking about making money online if you're broke. Listen, if you're broke right now, broke teenager, if you're broke in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, this is the video for you. This is what you've been waiting for because it's a new site. It's new to a lot of you. You don't know about it. And as a matter of fact, to show you undeniable proof, because I know that's what you're thinking. So far, I'm at $4,000. Let's go. As you can see, that's the date here, 3/24/2021. $4,000. Question, what would you do with $4,000, okay? Listen, I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to do it very quickly here. You got to believe that you can make money online and understand if you're a broke person like I used to be broke, this is the best and easiest way that I found in the last 24 hours to make some quick cash. So if that's what you're looking for, pay close attention here. And remember, sub to the channel because every single day, a new video for you to watch right now, I give to you, right? Because I want you to win. I really do. I want you to win and understand you don't need to work a 9-to-5 job. You don't need to spend time outside of your house slaving and working for the man, baby. Work for yourself. So check it out here. The first site what you need to open up is basically called Second Life, okay? SecondLife.com is basically what boring people do when they hate their first life, I guess, right? They log on here and they create all these fictional characters just about life, right? But the great thing about it, because you're an entrepreneur, you're gonna make money. And I'm gonna show you the easiest, fastest way. If you have $0 in your bank account and you wanna make some money and spend no money, this is what you gotta do. All right, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the web page, go to a link that says affiliate program here. All you need to do as a beginner, as a newbie, to make money online as a broke person, you click join today. You see that girl right there with the headphones? Well, guess what? That's going to be you at home making money online right now. And I'm talking about within 24 to 72 hours, getting some paychecks. Click on join today, right? And basically, you're going to get your affiliate link, okay? You're going to fill out this information here. Very simple. Your email address, password, confirm it, verify your email, check your email. When you verify it, boom, you're going to be approved, okay? It takes about 4 minutes to get everything going right. Now listen, this is what you want to know. Well, Wesley, how am I going to make money using this website for free as a broke person? Check it out. Let me show you how I brought in that $4,000 with ease, by the way. It was easy. And the great thing about it, I did the work one time and residually I keep making money, okay? So focus on that as you listen to the rest of the video here. Listen. Go back to youtube.com. That's all you got to do. Go to youtube.com. And no, you don't have to have a YouTube account, but if you do, great. But all you need to do is be able to have a browser and go to youtube.com and type in the words entertainment, okay? Now listen, don't share this, but you can smash the like button if you don't mind, because I'm giving you massive value. Now, if you don't like me, you may say, well, I don't like you, Wes. Well, I like you, and I love you. So smash that like button for your boy. Let's go! Type in entertainment. Go to filters here, okay? And remember, you can watch this again if you need me to slow down. Click on channel. See how easy that is? Listen, this is the most important part of the video, so pay close attention now. Okay, listen. You need to find channels that are very small. Not these big old channels like 9 million. No, it's not gonna work. You won't make any money at all. You have to pay close attention to the step. We wanna find channels like this, 3,000 subscribers. We wanna find channels like this, 4,000 subscribers. Let's click here. You see that? Well, there's not enough videos. We want a channel that's small, but it has many videos that have been created here, okay? Does that make sense? Our Darce Entertainment here. Nope, we don't want this guy either. Let's keep scrolling here. So what you want to do is you want to find many small channels that have many videos created here. Oh, there we go. Ding, ding, ding. Listen, this is money. Go ahead and smash the like button. Comment below and say, Wesley, I love you because I'm getting ready to make some money, just like I did. Look. Scroll down here. That's good to go. You want to go to About, okay? Now, the thing is, in the About section, you want to reach out to these people. But say, for instance, this person doesn't have an About contact information. So you go back here, right? And you scroll and find another one. This is 622 subscribers. It's very important. I'm going to explain why that you have to get smaller people, okay? Okay, great. This is good. Go to about here. Boom! Ding, ding, ding. We almost, listen, you're about to get to the money here. Click here. You want to get their email address. Now, listen, you want to reach out to this person. I'm going to tell you exactly what you got to do. You want to reach out to them 2 ways. Via the Instagram. You search this name right here in Instagram, okay? I'll do this today. Like, I have a team that does this very well, and we're raking in the cash here. I'm going to request that payment very soon so I can go buy me something nice for myself, right? Look, you go to support at game-meal.com. Now, the question is this, Wesley, what do I send? How do I reach? So what I'm going to do, because I love you and I want you to win, I don't want you to have to create what message to send. I'm going to give you the exact message that I use today, right now, to get many people to reach out to me. And this is why my income is increasing here. All right. Let me show you right here. Let me see. Where'd it go? All right, guys, give me a second here. Let me get it loaded up. Up. Give me a second. Where did it go? Here we go. Look, I love your YouTube channel. Put the channel of their name. But I notice it's fairly small. If you need some extra cash like I did, add this. Your affiliate link should go here to your channel for some easy residual cash. You're welcome, just spreading the love. No need to reply back. Look, I put no need to reply back. All right? So that's a perfect message that you can send all these people on this channel right here, right, to their email, and you're going to email them, and you're going to reach out to them via DM. You're going to do 10 to 20 a day. And then understand that Second Life is going to pay you $40 to $80 every time you get someone to sign up. Every time someone gets involved here, well, they're going to pay you out. Listen, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, that's probably the easiest way to make money right now. It doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take any money. All it takes is for you to apply some work ethic. How many of you can do that, okay? Smash the like button if I gave you massive value. You can do this. Is easy here. Like, I'm getting ready to claim this payment right here, and you can do this. I just started doing this. All I do is this. I reach out to 100 people every day. 100 people on YouTube every day, small channels. Now, say if you don't want to reach out to all these people, well, great. That's all you do. Go to Fiverr.com like I do, because I like the cheap, lazy way, right? I'm all about making money online, but I want to make money online the cheap way. I go to Fiverr here. I type in virtual assistant, and I just pay somebody $5 to do all the work for me. Okay, you can do this too. Listen, you don't think that internet marketers that are successful are not having other people to do this for you. You can do this, right? You don't have to pay people. Stop paying people. Smash the like button and show me some love, right? Hire somebody on Fiverr.com and say, hey, watch this video from this cool, crazy black guy, and do it, and reach out to all these channels. Here's the message here, right? And once you get a hit, you just look in your account and you just see the money rolling in. How easy is that? Listen, do it now. Remember, guys, I'm always here for you. I will leave a link in the description below. If you want mentorship, I do suggest for you to try it by yourself. But if you want me to help you within 45 days flat, I do this all day, every day to make $10,000. The link is available for you. Hey, I appreciate you. I'll leave some videos up here on the screen. Remember, before I let you go, you can do this. Believe in yourself, and screw the naysayers and screw all the people that say you can't do it. They said I couldn't do it, and now I'm making millions. And guess what? It is your time. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let go. Ah!